Hello, Dreams and Illusions, Fredy Diaz. My name is Fredy Alejandro Diaz. I am 28 years old. I live in Une, Cundinamarca. I am from Bogota, Colombia. I am a systems engineering student in UNAD. I like ride a horse, ride a motorcycle, play soccer, football, and play baseball. I am a kind and respectful person. I want to create a computer security company. I will have established my company in 2035. I want to get married and start a big family. If I get married soon, I will affirm my family faster. I want to build a house in Chia, Cundinamarca. I will have bought my house in 10 years. I want to create applications that help children to study. I want to buy a Toyota Sahara to visit family in the countryside. Thank you very much. Dreams and Illusions, Fredy Alejandro Diaz Diaz. Bye.